The Duke of York could run up legal fees of high proportions during his civil lawsuit battle with accuser Virginia Giuffre. The high cost is thanks to the number of hours that will likely be spent on the case, and top U.S. lawyers can charge up to $2,000 an hour. Prince Andrew faces allegations made by Ms. Giuffre, formerly known as Virginia Roberts, who claims that she was forced by Jeffrey Epstein to have sex with the Duke on 3 separate occasions while she was 17. Ms. Giuffre alleges that the now 61-year-old royal abused her at Jeffrey Epstein's Manhattan home and other locations while she was underage. Prince Andrew has categorically denied all allegations. For the case, the 61-year-old prince has hired Hollywood lawyer Andrew Brettler to represent him. U.S. lawyer Spencer Cavan, who represents several of Epstein's victims, has warned that the Duke could rack up a bill of $500,000 or £360,000 within 12 months if the proceedings continue. U.S. lawyer Mr. Cavan spoke of the extraordinarily large legal bill and how many hours the prince's legal team are likely to put in with the Sunday Mirror. He said, Andrew is looking at up to $500,000 in legal fees for work over the next year. A high-priced lawyer here in the States, at the low end, is $600 an hour rising to $2,000 an hour. Just one lawyer is likely to spend 100 hours a year on a case like this, but a case like this could have 2 or 3 lawyers working on it, and Andrew's case is likely to last the next year at least, with multiple court filings, perhaps 1 or 2 a week as arguments go back and forth. At present it is unclear whether Andrew would foot the bill himself, as reportedly he receives a £20,000 annual Navy pension. Ms. Giuffre's lawyers filed the civil suit at a New York federal court last month, through which she is seeking unspecified damages from the senior royal. During the telephone conference hearing, Andrew's lawyer Mr. Brettler argued that his client had not been correctly notified about the civil proceedings. The Duke's legal team contested the validity of service to date, claiming he had not been properly served under either UK or international law, but the High Court has since accepted a request to notify Prince Andrew about Virginia Giuffre's civil case in America. When commenting on the case proceedings, Mr. Cavan added, the way this case is at the moment, it appears Andrew's lawyers want to dismiss this case on its legal merits. That will involve extensive briefing to the lawyers. There will be a lot of work for all the parties involved, a lot of attorney hours and a lot of research. The civil suit is said to be made more complicated by the numerous locations the assaults allegedly took place in. The Duke of York was last pictured at the Queen's Balmoral estate in Scotland, accompanied by ex-wife Sarah Ferguson. The pair made a 500-mile journey from Royal Lodge, Windsor to the Scottish estate.